Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see the overview of a very exciting application that is Weekly Timesheet. With the help of this application, you will be able to enter the timesheet. You will be able to see what all entries have been entered, and also it has a approval flow as well. So whatever the timesheet that you have entered, it will go for the managers to approve, and managers can approve and reject the workflow as well. So majorly it has the three tabs here. First one is the home tab. Here you will be able to see your timesheet. For example, today is 26th May. So the complete week from the 26th May to 1st June is given here. So here you can see from Monday to Sunday all the time have been given here, and here you can see what is the week number and what is the complete Monday to Sunday as well. And here you can fill the timesheet for the work. Let's say that on a particular day you were on holiday, so here you can fill the time for the holiday as well, and rest other days you can fill as usual. Now this timesheet also allows you to save your partially filled timesheet as well. So for that particular purpose we have a save draft button as well. So even if you have filled just 1 or 2 days only, you can click on the save draft and this entry will get saved in the database, and you don't have to worry about that. So if you go in the submissions tab here you will be able to find for this particular week, 22 week, all the entries are there. And here you can see for 1 day holiday is there, and for the 27th May 9 hours have been filled here, and all of the details are in currently draft. So here you can see those details. Now if you want to submit the entire timesheet, so what you have to do here is any week you can go to the next week as well. For example, see, this week is already in submitted state. It means that somebody has already submitted this timesheet for approval, and we can go to any other week as well. See here that this is still in draft, so we can fill completely this timesheet here. For example, all the 9 hours have been filled here, and we can click submit here. Now once we have clicked the submit here, we can go to that 24th week here. See here, it is submitted state, and it will go for the manager's approval here. So in the submissions, first of all you can see the entry for the 24th week. So here it is the 24th week, all the data for 24th week will come up here. And in the task tab as well, if you will go here, the 24 data will come for the timesheet approval. If you go in the approval tab, all the 24 week data is there, Monday to Friday, all the entries are there, and you can either click on approve or reject as well. If you click on approve here, this particular timesheet entry will get approved here, and now this link will get removed. Now it is completed here, when it was submitted and when it was completed, all of these details are tracked here. Now there are proper email chains as well. Once you submit the timesheet, then also you will get a mail. Once you approve the timesheet, then also you will get mail, and for the rejection as well you are going to get the mails here. Let me show you the mail for the submitted one. For example, this is the mail for the submitted part. Hi, your timesheet for the week 16. This is the start date to the end date has been submitted. Summary is total hours 45 and status is submitted. Thank you for submitting your timesheet on time. Thank you. So this is the mail that you will get for the submission of your timesheet. Now there are separate mail for approval and rejection. Let's see that. Now once your mail has been submitted and manager has approved the mail, so you will get a mail like this one, that your timesheet for the week 16 has been approved. Summary is 45 hours and status is approved. No further action is required. So this mail you will get for the approval here. And now let's see the rejection mail. So this is the mail for the rejection here. Hi, your timesheet for week 17 has been rejected. Please review and make necessary correction. Then resubmit your timesheet from the submissions tab. So here a link is also provided here, so that you can directly go in that particular timesheet application, and you will be able to see the details about that week. So in this way you will be able to see that particular part. If any timesheet has been approved, for example, let's go in the current week once here, and here you can see approved. Once it is approved, you won't be able to save, draft or submit once again. All these fields will be in read only, and the buttons have been disabled. And if it is rejected, for example, let's submit for week 25 here, and we will reject that entry here. So if the entry is rejected here, still you will be able to re-edit and submit once again. See, this is the 25 week here, and you will reject it. Once it is rejected, click on submit. You will get a mail for the rejection as well. And if you go in the home tab here once again, and let's go in the week number 25, it is rejected, and still you will be able to submit it once again as well. Once again it will go in that approval flow, and it will get either approved or rejected. So in this way the complete workflow works here. Now in the submissions tab here also we have given an action to fill the timesheet. So from here as well, if you want, you can fill your timesheet here. So I hope that this complete overview is clear to you. We have a complete requirement document, like what all needs to be developed here, so you can go through the requirement and understand the application as well. So that was the quick overview about the timesheet application, guys. In the next video we will see the step-by-step tutorial for the complete application, how to develop this application from scratch. So that was all for now, guys. Thank you.